It almost seems as if investors are buying into your company on a leap of faith.
We're expanding massively. We're talking about expanding by 3,000% in the space of 2 to 3 years. It's just not possible for the company as a whole to be profitable with that kind of with that rate of expansion. And that's the reason for the unprofitability. It's not some fundamental flaw in the Tesla business.
Right.
Alright guys, what if I told you that just $1,000 invested in Tesla back in 2010 could have made you rich today? I'm talking life-changing money. But exactly how much? Well, buckle up because we're about to break it down. Tesla went from a small electric car startup to one of the most valuable companies on the planet. But if you had the foresight, or let's be honest, the luck, to invest early, what would that look like today? In June 2010, Tesla went public at $17 per share. That means if you put $1,000 into Tesla at its IPO, you would have gotten about 58 shares. But here's where it gets crazy, because Tesla has had multiple stock splits. Tesla split its stock 5-to-1 in 2020 and 3-to-1 in 2022, meaning those original 58 shares turned into 870 shares. Alright, let's do the math. At the time of this video, Tesla is trading at $354 per share. 354 times 870 is going to give you $307,980. That's right, your $1,000 would now be worth over $307,000. Talk about a crazy return. Now obviously hindsight is 2020, not every stock is Tesla, and investing always carries risks. But this shows the power of long-term investing and holding on to great companies. If you believe in a company's future, sometimes the best move is to buy and hold. Who knows, maybe the next Tesla is out there right now. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, please subscribe as it keeps me motivated to keep making content, and let me know in the comments, what stock do you think is the next Tesla? Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.